everyone, and welcome back to Charm Love by Carolyn. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for their views, their likes, and their comments. It is very much appreciated. All right, Charm fam, today I will be making a Christmas bracelet like I promised you all with this snowflake charm, but as you can see, I have the gold veil and jump ring on there. That is because the little spacers I'm going to be using, as you can see, they have gold in them. All right, Charm fam, and for beads, I'm going to be using these frosted Amazonite that I've been had for a minute, and actually I was going to use these for a Tree of Life video, but I never made it, so this is what we're going to be using for these today. All right, Charm fam, and I have my stretchy floss and my little clip. So as always, Charm fam, if you want to string along, that is wonderful. Other than that, I am just going to play the music and I'm going to string this bracelet and we're going to see how it looks at the end. All right, Charm fam, let's get started. All right, Charm Fam, we have got it all strung together. Now I'm just gonna remove my little clip and I'm going to add my charm, and it is, thank goodness, a two-sided charm. So if it flips, it doesn't matter. You'll still see the design on the snowflake, my bad, y'all. All right, Charm Fam, I'm about to do my tying. 1, 2, 3, and make sure you get it good and snug. 1, 2, and 3. One more tie. And a 1. Well, I'll just go 1 this time, y'all. Okay. And another 1 for good measure. And of course, Charm Fam, I am going to put the glue on it. So I'm done with it. I've tied it and I have my snowflake charm there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to put the glue on it. I'm going to cut the string, and this is the finished product. So let me get you down here.